Welcome back, guys, in the beautiful city of Phuket. Let's check the beautiful view, guys. Guys, 2 years ago, it was 2021. 2 years before that, it was 2019. If you will look to my previous videos, even here on my Facebook page, you go scrolling down, completely down, and you will find my first videos was in 2019, talking about something that would happen back in 2021. That the Bitcoin price should skyrocket to a minimum price target of at least $50,000 levels. And you know what was the craziest part? Where was I? I was making in 2019 the same video content from this location here in Phuket. I was even talking in this same building. This exact same building before I went to Kuala Lumpur, and talking about how to get focused, why it is so important to get focused, and why 2021 you don't want to miss that opportunity with a minimum Bitcoin price target all the way to the $50,000 levels, where Bitcoin only was stable between maybe $3,000 to $7,000 levels. What people couldn't believe back then happened in real life, and this was due something called the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving would find place back then in 2020. Today, when is the next Bitcoin halving? The next Bitcoin halving is literally in 1 year, less than 1 year from today. Around estimated to happen between March and April of 2024. And what will happen after that? Mostly we always see the same scenario happening. We saw it also in 2021. So if you took my advice back then in 2019 serious, you do not have anything, I think, you will be in a financial good situation for sure, because Bitcoin made its move, and even right now in the bear market, Bitcoin is still trading and hovering around the $30,000 levels, way higher than the price targets where we was back then last time when I was in this same location making the same video. Guys, it's so crazy, guys, that everything happens the same. Look, I am in the same location as in 2019, talking about the same thing, but this time not for 2021, but 2025. I expect, next to that, what do I expect? I expect a minimum Bitcoin price target for 2025 to happen at least between $100,000 levels and all the way to the $140,000 levels. Why do I expect that price target? Because we have something called a Bitcoin halving. A Bitcoin halving, what does it mean? We have every 4 years a Bitcoin halving. 2012, 2016, 2020, 2024, and we of course will also have one later on in 2028, where I will make the exact same video for the people that missed 2025. We'll talk about 2029, and people will say, how is something like that possible? Just open your eyes, guys. If supply stays the same, if supply gets cut in half, but the demand, people are asking the same amount, they needing that same amount of Bitcoins as what they need today, price needs to skyrocket. Next, that miners will pay way higher prices to mine 1 Bitcoin. So miners will never sell underneath their mining cost price. And what do we expect to be the next Bitcoin mining cost price? Right now we are averaging around to $19,000 to $20,000 levels to mine one Bitcoin, and we are expecting from next year already the price of mining will probably be between the $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 levels for majority of the miners. Some miners will be way higher like today, but in average this will be probably the price to mine one Bitcoin, and I don't think people will sell this Bitcoin that cheap if they know they paid so much money for it. So remember that case, mostly supply shock happens 6 months after, or starting to happen 6 months after the Bitcoin halving. So if the Bitcoin halving is expected to happen around end of March, start of April 2024, this is not an April joke, guys, this is a serious matter. If this will happen, guys, 6 months from that point, I will expect a minimum price target to be reached already. Over $100,000 levels for Bitcoin. Minimum will be a $100,000 levels. Guys, start working on your plan. Bitcoin is not the only one that will skyrocket. If you have a bunch of money, invest in Bitcoin. If you do not have a bunch of money, start opening your eyes for altcoins. Check L1 layers. Make sure it's the best of the best. It's undervalued. Look to the price beforehand where it was in 2021. Do not buy on that same price levels, otherwise you are making a rushing decision, as we are expecting that the price should actually go more further down. Look to coins that are already 80%, 90% down from their price. Check their token matrix, check what they are doing. Very important tokens right now, maybe Gala. I would strongly recommend to take an eye on Gala. Today it's trading at 2 cents, guys. 2 cents. Remember that very well. 2 freaking cents today. You have the opportunity to buy one Gala token at 2 cents today. Remember, it came from 88 cents back 2 years ago in 2021. People were willing to pay 88 cents for that same Gala. What do you think will happen in 2025? That same people were already ready to pay 88 cents. So they probably will also be ready to pay maybe $1 or $2 per Gala token. So I expect a minimum 10 to 20, 30x increase for Gala if you are buying it at 2 cents. Let's take a look once we are at 60 cents to start selling your bunch of tokens, just to make sure you are not so you protect your profits, as this is also very important. Thank you so much to watch my video, and I see you very soon in the next one. Bye bye.